Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to SimpliSafe monitoring with professional installation, full guide step by step clearly. Once on the home page, navigate to the monitoring section. Click on the option for professional monitoring to learn about the features and pricing. Select the plan that best suits your needs. After you've made your selection, click on the Get Started button. You'll be prompted to create an account or log in if you're already a customer. Follow the on-screen instructions to fill in your personal information. Provide your address and any specific details required for installation. Next, choose your preferred equipment bundle for your security system. Once you've selected your equipment, proceed to the payment section. Enter your payment method and billing information. Review your order to ensure everything is correct. If everything looks good, confirm your purchase. After your order is confirmed, you'll receive an email with a summary of your purchase. Schedule your professional installation by selecting a convenient time from the options provided. A professional installer will arrive at your chosen date and time to set up your security system. Once installed, be sure to test the system along with the installer to ensure everything is functioning correctly. After the installation, log into your account to manage your monitoring settings. You're now ready to enjoy peace of mind with your SimpliSafe professional monitoring. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.